Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export a Framer website. So Framer does not have an official option that lets you directly export an entire website. So this process requires a simple workaround using Figma and a few plugins. So follow each step carefully and you will be able to turn your published Framer design into code. So first, open the website project that you created in Framer, and once the project is ready, click the publish button to open the live version of your website. And when the publish page appears, copy its URL because you will need to use it during the next part of the process. And after copying the website link, open Figma and create a new design file. And you can start with an empty file since the website design will be imported directly into it. Next, open the plugin section and search for the HTML to design plugin. And then select the plugin to launch it. Then a small window will appear where you can enter a website address and then paste the URL of your published Framer website into the provided box. Then click import, and then the plugin will begin loading the website design into Figma. And during this process, Figma may show a message asking you to review the HTML layer names. So follow the options shown on the screen, then click add to canvas. And then wait for Figma to place all the important website elements onto the design canvas. And once everything has finished loading, open the layers panel and select the main layer or section that you want to export. Next, click the actions button and go to the plugins and widgets section and use the search bar to find Magazon Figma to code, then open the plugin. So this tool will help you convert imported design into code that can be used outside Framer. And then inside the plugin, click the preview option to check how the web page looks. And after confirming the preview, go to the code section and select generate code. And then the plugin will begin creating the code for the selected design. So allow it a moment to complete the process. And when the code is ready, you will see a copy code button and click it to copy the generate. And when the code is ready, you will see a copy code button and then click it to copy the generated code. And you can now use that code outside Framer wherever it is needed. So that is how you can export a Framer website by importing the published page into Figma and generating its code with plugins. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.